Hello, this is Dr. Jeff Kim, and I'm at the Source in Buena Park today. I'm going to be watching Songs of Love. It's a private screening of the first Korean Americans in the United States of America. And I've seen it before, but I'm having the privilege to watch it now with 3 generations of my own family, my mother and one of my daughters.
Movie Songs of Love. Songs of Love is a 62-minute musical drama film that transports viewers through the captivating, emotional, and universal experiences of the first Korean immigrants' journey to Hawaii.
As an independent filmmaker, I strongly believe in the power of story.
I loved it so much when I first saw this, and it really went right through my heart. And so I brought my son today.
I thought that the movie had an absolutely wonderful message, and I really resonated with it.
I was in tears probably 80% of the time.
It was very moving indeed, yeah. Very powerful storytelling.
Just dripping down, I don't even know where it came from.
It's always nice to see people with their parents that come to our screening, because it was really created to honor their sacrifices.
And the beautiful music also just translates so much. This message is really very strong, and you made it so beautiful and go right to your heart.
And I want my film hopefully bring us questions about how we got here, what was done for us to be here.
Providing the background story to Lee Ok-sun and her time in Korea and being married by photo at age 17 as an orphan.
And you shared that beautiful piece about how the story becomes complete with the audience. And I thought that was such a beautiful comment, because it reminds me that as we know our story, we must do something good with our story.
There are so many beautiful stories, whether you're Korean or non-Korean, and I do hope that students try to look for their roots and your heritage, because if we don't remember, it goes away, and there's so many beautiful stories to remember.
And so as I watch this film, I hope one day, as this is widely released, I would love to have, for example, my Korean American Studies students come together and invite their parents in one place, watch it like this, and then maybe even have some dialogue and discussion afterwards about what their feelings, their thoughts, their impressions.
Yeah, like when I first learned about this Korean American history, I just thought there's so much love that we have inherited. But
I hope maybe it will bring that connection and foundation for today's resilience, but also for tomorrow's resilience as well.
then as you study more, you get to think that then, okay, so what can I do for the future generation? If you watch it with your friends, I think we'll have a better, good communication.
A film like this can help bring families together, and I would love to see that.
And that's what I really liked about creating this film, because I get to think about my own dad and my own family's journey.
Oh, I think it's a great contribution for the Korean American community and also for all Americans.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.